Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you are warmly welcome. And guys, thank you so much for joining me today. We are making some delicious tilapia soup. Come along guys and let's get started. Alright, I'm just getting started with my soup with some salted beef or tolo beef and some diced onions. And then I have my tilapia cleaned as well, just soaking in a bit of water. And I'm gonna go ahead and add that into the base of the salted beef and the onions. Now guys, you want to make sure that you do not put any salt into your soup at this point when you're starting it out, just because the tolo beef or salted beef, like the name indicates, is really salty. And yes guys, I love cooking outside. Guys, it doesn't make my kitchen smell and I get to enjoy some fresh air. The only thing I don't like is the flies. Anyway, I went ahead to add tomatoes and onions into my soup, and I have added some water as well, and I'm going to cover the soup and just allow it to cook for a few minutes. One thing about tilapia soup when you're making it, because the fish is so extremely delicate, you want to make sure that you're not stirring it. So what I do is I just shake the pan or the pot that I'm making the soup in. So after about 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tomatoes and the onion that I put in. If you're using a small onion, then you can use 2. And then I'm gonna go ahead and blend my onions, tomatoes. I have some Scotch bonnet peppers, a few cloves of garlic, and about ½ an inch of ginger. I'm going to add some water and blend it until it is nice and smooth. Oh yeah, and then I went ahead to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste as well, just because I like an intense color when I make tilapia soup. And then I'm gonna go ahead and strain it out. And guys, I mentioned that I hate the flies, right? But it is one of the things I gotta deal with when I'm cooking outside. Anyway, now I'm gonna go ahead and check on that soup base and go ahead and add my pepper, tomatoes, onion, ginger, and garlic mix into the soup. And guys, that is it. We're just going to allow the soup to cook, and then we will be adjusting the seasoning. And guys, before we keep going, I would like to say a very big thank you to all of you, all 6,000 of you. This journey has been incredible and I appreciate your support so much. And guys, if you have not subscribed or if today is your first time, please go ahead and do so and join this amazing family. Alright, so after a few minutes, it is a perfect time to check on the soup and give it a taste and then adjust the seasoning. What I did was I added just half of a seasoning cube, and I also went ahead to add a little bit of salt. And then I am just adding some green Scotch bonnet pepper just for extra flavor and for a pop of color. I know I've mentioned this before, but I absolutely love filming outside in the sun because I get the best color without having to do any adjustments when I'm filming or editing. It is amazing, and guys, the soup truly looked this good. And guys, of course, we're having it with some fufu, and that is it, guys. It is so simple to make with just a few simple ingredients. You have an absolutely delicious soup. And yes guys, you know it, you're invited. It was absolutely delicious, and guys, I know that you will love it when you try it out as well. And guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this absolutely delicious journey, and I will see you again very soon. Take care guys. Bye.